Welcome to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making creamy Punjabi style butter chicken. Take half kg chicken, cut into small pieces. Make a fresh paste using 8 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. To the cut chicken, add half teaspoon red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chilli, gram flour, cumin powder, freshly made ginger garlic paste, and curd. Mix everything well. Make sure that every piece is well coated, that is what brings out the restaurant style taste. Add 1 tablespoon mustard oil and mix it again. Soak 15 cashews and 3 to 4 red chillies in water. Roughly chop around 350 gram of tomatoes. Next, in a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add the chopped tomatoes and let them cook for a bit. Now it's time to add the soaked cashews and red chillies into the same pan. Mix everything well and let it cook on a medium flame. Cover it with the lid for a while. You can give it a quick stir in between just to make sure nothing sticks at the bottom. Once the tomatoes and cashews are soft, turn off the flame and let it cool. Then transfer everything into a blender, blend it until it becomes a smooth paste. Now we are going to strain it through a sieve that helps us get that silky smooth gravy and removes any leftover tomato skin or fibers. Next, in a fresh pan, take some butter and once the butter melts, place the marinated chicken pieces into the pan. As the chicken cooks, make sure to stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we are adding a thin slice of beetroot. This adds beautiful natural color and a subtle earthy tone to the gravy. Now pour in half a cup of water, cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat. This lets the chicken soak up all the rich flavors. After a few minutes, lift the lid and check on the chicken. It should be almost cooked and beautifully tender. Now it's time to add the smooth tomato cashew puree we prepared earlier. This is where the magic begins. As you mix, you will notice how beautifully the flavors start to come together. We are seasoning it with salt and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup for slight tangy touch. Now goes in the fresh cream. This gives our butter chicken that signature richness and creamy texture we all love. Mix it gently and sprinkle some kasuri methi. Cover it again and let everything simmer for a few more minutes. Finally, we add a bit of coriander powder for that extra flavor and we are done. Now we are pouring the butter chicken into a serving bowl. Top it with a swirl of fresh cream, a small cube of butter and freshly chopped coriander. And here is how we are serving it alongside vinegar-soaked onions and ghee-laced lachha paratha that adds the authentic Punjabi touch. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and leave a comment below to let me know how it turned out for you. See you in the next one.